Alright guys, I'm just going to make a video to show what it sounds like when it's trying to start. It was throwing a code for bad ignition module, so I went ahead and got one today, put it on. Still don't make a difference. I'm getting fuel and I'm getting spark, but still won't start. Getting really good spark too. 44 pounds fuel pressure. Here we go. That's what she's doing. Sounds like it starts to start maybe, but tell me what you guys think. I mean, it's got me stumped because it's got fuel and spark. I mean, I really don't see why it's not running. It's a 95 formula. It's got 118,000 miles. It's automatic. But all right, tell me what you guys think. See ya.